How to change your name on your Gmail account. Hello guys, my name is Shahid. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account name. So first of all, you need to open your Gmail. You can just tap on your Gmail, and here you will see on the top left corner the 3-line menu. When you click on that one, just scroll down and you will find the settings. So you need to click on setting, and here you will see if you have many Gmail accounts, so it will be shown here. I have just one, so I need to change the name of this account. So I will click on this account, and here at the right top corner you will find the 3-dotted menu. You need to tap on that one and then tap on manage accounts. So here you will see your account and just click on that account. So once you tap on your account, here you will find Google account info, security and personalization. So you need to click on that one, and once you click on that one, here you will see the home page and then the personal info, data and personalization. So you need to tap on the personal info. So once you click on your personal info, as you can see from here, even you can change your profile picture, but we will not change that one. We just need to change our name on Google account. So we need to click on the name. So once you click on the name from here, as you can see, this is my name. I don't want to change it. I just want to show you how you can do it. So you need to erase this one, and then you can select your new the name that you want to. You can type in the name that you want to change. So you can type in the name that you want to change into from the previous one, and here you can select your first name and then the last name, and then you need to just tap on the save. So once you tap on the save option, then your new information will be saved and your Gmail account name will be changed. So this is how you can change your account name. It's very easy, a few steps, and you can do it very easily. And the next time when you send your email, the new name will appear to the receiver. So this is how you can change your Gmail account name. I hope you liked the video and this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.